Hi, so I just got myself my first circular saw. Something just fell. That's okay. This is the Milwaukee Fuel M18. So it comes the saw itself. Came with a saw blade, 24 teeth, Milwaukee, and a track guide. I'll unpack it. I've never used a circular saw before, so hopefully it will not kill me. But let's hope for the best. So this is how it looks. Oh, it has a small wrench here. I thought that I'll need to look for one. So yeah, that's good. Oh dear. Almost got stuck. So this is the Milwaukee M18 CCS55. So yeah, the saw comes with a blade guide, not a blade guide, but blade guard, grammar. But yeah, basically has this little tool. You can change the angle here. Yeah. I think the edge guide goes here. I'm pretty sure I'll need a blade with more teeth. I think 24 will not be a smooth cut. From what I've seen, I think you'll need about 40, as I understand, to have a smooth cut. This is more for a rough cut, but I'll need to test it. Yeah, so I need to get some wood and need to get used to it. After some time, let's come back and test it. I think I paid about 230 euros for it. I'll check. But yeah, let me know. What have you chosen, this this specific saw or a different one? I know there are different brands that sell cheaper ones, but right now I'm already invested in Milwaukee. I have a battery set and other tools, so why not? We'll see how it works. So yeah, looking forward to seeing you again. Bye.